Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to a personal account on TikTok in just a few easy steps. So let's dive right in. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you're on TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page. And tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are in the Settings and Privacy menu, you will see an option that says Account. Simply tap on it. And you will find an option that says Switch to Personal Account. If you are currently using a business or creator account, this option will be available. Tap on it. And TikTok will confirm whether you really wanted to make the switch. Just tap Switch and you are good to go. Once you have switched, you have all the perks of a personal account. And there you have it. You have successfully switched back to a personal account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.